Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Toyota 200,000 mile club sticker. So there's a website from Toyota where if you take a picture of your odometer and send it to them, they will send you this. So it's pretty cool. So thank you from your friends at Toyota. You could post this on social media. Really good marketing from Toyota. Because I think all of us with high mileage Toyotas, you really end up getting, really liking your car and how reliable it's been. So got this sticker from my 2000 Toyota Tacoma truck, first gen, best gen, and yeah, on the way to 300k miles. So really cool sticker. I'm actually going to send them an old picture of the odometer at 100k. So once I get that sticker, I'll unbox that as well. So yeah, hope you're all doing well. Let me know what you think of the sticker in the comment section below, and catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.